In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom Meeting to Wix. We'll walk through the exact process so your online appointments automatically generate Zoom links for you and your clients. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Wix. Click the official result to go to the Wix website, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll be working from the left-hand toolbar. In the editor, click Add Apps to open the Wix App Market. Use the search bar to look for Wix Bookings. This is the app that powers services and appointments on your site and is required for built-in video conferencing. Open the Wix Bookings app page and click Add to Site. Wix may create a bookings page and add some default elements as part of the setup, which is expected. If you already use Bookings, you'll simply be enhancing it with Zoom. Once Wix Bookings is installed, head to your Bookings area and open the appointment settings. Find the online meeting option and click Edit. This section controls how video meetings are attached to your services, so turning it on here ensures every applicable appointment can include a meeting link. Now scroll down to the Locations section. Click Add under Video Conferencing. You'll see a list of supported providers. Choose Zoom and click Continue. This tells Wix which platform to use when generating meeting links for your services. Next, click Connect. A Zoom authorization window will open. If needed, sign into your Zoom account, review the requested permissions, and approve the connection. When you finish, you'll return to Wix and see Zoom listed as a connected video conferencing option. That's the confirmation that the link between your Wix site and Zoom is active. From this point forward, when you set a service or appointment to use an online meeting location, Wix will automatically create a unique Zoom meeting for each booking. The meeting details will appear in your dashboard and can be included in client confirmations and reminders, reducing back and forth and saving time. For smoother scheduling, make sure your Wix and Zoom time zones match and be mindful of any limits in your Zoom plan that might affect meeting durations or participant counts. If you ever change your Zoom password or permissions, you may need to reconnect through the same connect flow. And that's it. You've added Zoom to Wix Bookings and enabled online meetings for your appointments, all set up directly within your site's editor.